Welcome to CSC171 Online, an introductory Python programming course. The course website is provided through WebStudy at www.ccc.webstudy.com. The course shell will be opening up a little bit before the start of the semester. I will be sending you an email with instructions. My name is Anita Wright, and I am a full-time faculty member at Camden County College in the Computer Science Department. My office is located on the Blackwood campus at the Sim Building, 2nd floor, 209 South. You can always arrange a meeting with me by appointment. There are no formal course prerequisites for CSC 171. However, an eagerness and determination to learn how to program a computer is required. The textbook is an Introduction to Programming using Python by David Schneider. This is published by Pearson. You will also be required to purchase the My Programming Lab subscription that accompanies the textbook. Here you will practice the programming syntax of the Python language so that you can quickly become adept with it. You will also need to download and install the Python programming language with IDLE. IDLE is the programming environment that I suggest you use this semester. You can find this at https://python.org/downloads. The instructions for downloading and installing the software are located in the textbook in Appendix C. The latest version is 3.6. You do need to be sure that you're using Python 3, not the older Python 2. Here is a picture of what the download webpage looks like at python.org. If you're using a Mac computer, it already comes with Python installed. Once you get set up, check in at WebStudy. Post to the Week 1 Introductions forum and add some information about yourself. And then respond to one or two other classmates. Although this is not a face-to-face class, it's nice to get to know each other. After all, we are a community of Python learners. Happy Python coding! See you online.